Number 22, lot S80.1, is a 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it sold for $37,400 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 51,694 miles. And the highlights are restored, rebuilt 454 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, front and rear sway bars, power front disc brakes, power steering, new interior including carpets, seat covers, door panels, headliner, and dash pad, tilt steering column, and partial build sheet. And from the partial build sheet, I can see that this car originally was a 350 with a 2-barrel, but somebody upgraded it by putting an LS5 454 cubic inch V8 with 365 horsepower into it, which was a nice upgrade to go with the bucket seats and the console with the floor shift. And then they painted it, they say medium electric blue. It looks pretty close to Mulsanne blue. So it looks like a real nice car. Although you couldn't get the 454 in 71 unless you bought the Monte Carlo Super Sport, the SS 454 version. But I think they only made about 1,919 of those in 71. They only made them 2 years, 70 and 71. You could get a 396 without getting a Super Sport, but even those are fairly rare. But this one got you a nice cruiser with the big muscle under the hood, and for $37,400. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.